Hi, gold traders. Going back to Liberation Day, on April the 2nd, that began a brutal correction for gold after stock markets crashed. Following Trump's tariff proclamation, we uploaded a video warning of a final leg of that brutal correction. And that's how price action played out. We also shared our thoughts with traders that any good news would send US stock markets straight back up. And again, that's what happened when Trump announced a 90-day pause on the Liberation Day tariffs for countries other than China. Interestingly, but not surprisingly to us, Trump is now facing accusations of market manipulation after posting on social media that it was a great time to buy just hours before he made the dramatic U turn on those Liberation Day tariffs that led to big rises in stock markets around the world. Now, for those who carefully consider our shared advice and analysis, you will remember that shortly after Trump became president, we said that he and his team would at some point look to make a fortune from manipulating the gold market. And what happened after April the 2nd with the stock market crash and then the euphoric rise up again was the first step in that game. Whilst news media and YouTube pundits have focused on the likes of Marjorie Taylor Greene, a Trump ally and Republican congresswoman, buying the stock market dip before Trump's tariff pause and profiting from the rally, those who quietly profited from the dip in gold with the subsequent buyback have gone under the radar. Let's take a look at the daily chart up on the screen here. Note that after the low reached with the brutal correction here at 29.56, we saw a smooth and powerful trending move back up that broke above the 3,200 level that some investment banks and hedge funds had as a ceiling for 2025. We never mentioned that 3,200 level because we don't use secondhand information and prefer to conduct our own research, and we were expecting gold to break above 3,200, which it has done. Right now, the gold market is looking a little exhausted, and we are carefully monitoring the situation in order to forecast the next fear induced brutal correction or significant manipulation play downward. We have been persistently talking about how gold is aggressively bullish in the background, even with significant pullbacks from the ongoing secular bull trend. But although bullish aggression in the background still remains, it is now composed of fewer professional market participants, since some are staying out at the moment in terms of any heavy commitment to gold positioning, and that means any rallies are going to be quicker to collapse. We are going to assess the market conditions over the next week and then decide where we see gold going next in terms of the longer term ranges. In the meantime, take extra caution with your lot sizes and ensure that you respect your risk management system. Until next time, take care.